Hello guys, in front of me ASUS Zenfone 6 and I will show you how to change ringtone in this device. So let's start from open the settings. Now go to the sound and vibration, scroll down a little bit. Oh wait, because I miss. Oh yeah, here it is, phone ringtone. And now for the same first we can just leave music box, but we can also check other ringtones. Okay, I will go with this one. So this is how it looks on this device. Thank you for the watching, leave likes, subscriptions, and if you have any questions, leave it in comments below. So thank you again.